Morning guys and welcome to Sangli. This is day 1 of my coastal trip and I left Pune at around 4 in the morning. Should be reaching around 8 at Kolhapur and day 1 is Goa. So yeah, along with me and B there is this. That is Tejas. So I'll try to keep on updating as much as possible, but most of the time I'll be riding. So I'll see you for breakfast at Kolhapur. So, we didn't quite stop at Kolhapur. We stopped at the border and just had breakfast here, and we'll be heading down to Goa now. 166 kilometers more to go, and now we might have some traffic and all, but overall pretty good. Like crossed Kolhapur within 4 hours. So yeah, so see you in Goa then. Hey guys, so I'm in Goa finally. Well, quick for you, eventually for me. So I forgot what time we reached, but came directly to the first place. So this is Shahpura Fort. Originally it was Shahapura Fort, then it was renamed for, there's a river somewhere here of the name, so Shahpura. Well, nothing to see, as you can see, but the reason this fort is famous is, well, Dil Chahta Hai ka scene was here. Apart from that, nothing else. As you can see, this guy is dying. We're not helping him. It's fine, we don't care. There was a shrine here as well, the Saint Anthony Shrine. So we'll keep him here, bury him somewhere in some corner or something. So that's it. I can't even speak, man, I'm so tired. The fort has pretty steep walls all sides, and it's quite tiring to get up here. And once you come up here, except for the views, everything else is underwhelming, but the views are amazing. So if you love the nature, if you love views and everything, you come. You enjoy. I'm tired. See you later. Hey guys, did not make a video last night, but this is where we stayed in Goa. Quite a beautiful place, and it's like 7 minutes from the old churches. Not walking, but driving. So, and it's in a quiet location, and the hotel here where the food is, it's quite tasty. So I do recommend this place if at all you all are in Goa, in the Ella side, old churches and all. So do visit this place. I'll be linking the phone number down below if at all you all are interested in booking this. So yeah.
Church of St. Augustine was completed in 1602, but was abandoned around 1835 after the Portuguese government began evicting many religious churches and orders in Goa. It started collapsing due to negligence, and around 1842 it started to collapse actually. And then the church bell was moved to Our Lady of Immaculate Conception, that is in Panjim, and most of the facade and all collapsed by 1938. So yeah, what we see is what we get now.
Guys, so now this is basically the end of the part 1 of Pune to all the places. I'm not going to tell you where I'm going and all, but I'll tell you in the next video. So this was Pune to Goa. You'll find my link in the description for my Instagram and all of that. Right now waiting for the breakfast at Hotel Rohan. Yeah, so end of part 1. I'll see you guys in part 2. So ride safe.